What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the Civic we are going to be taking off the rear bumper so I could paint the rear back piece of the Civic. As you can tell, been a little busy. It's a little dark in here. Let me get a light for you guys. Alright, as you can tell, I've been gutting it because I am going to be repainting the whole car black. But the piece I'm talking about is behind the rear bumper. I got to take the reinforcement off. So what I'm going to do is I want to say they are 14mm bolts. There's two that's holding the reinforcement on both sides, and then there should be a clip here and a clip here, but as you can tell, it doesn't have a clip. So, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little push clips that go right there, and you basically just take a Phillips screwdriver and you take it out, and then you basically just pull the bumper out. So let's get that going. Alright, so bumper, I already had the clips off and everything, but basically what we're going to be painting, you really can't see. Let me get my flashlight that's in the car. So, where you see red, it's going to be black now. So what I'm going to have to do is take out the reinforcement. And I'm probably going to take out the taillights because that'll be red. So once I get that all done, I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so now that I got the bumper off and everything, and I put tape around the taillights and where the little air duct thing went, I cleaned everything off. As you can tell, this it's just overspray from when the guy painted the car black. But yeah, so basically I got everything all prepped, and all I need to do now is basically just take my 3M scuff pad and basically just scuff everything up, and then I should be able to lay some paint down on it. So first coat is done. As you can tell, I still need to do another coat, but it's coming out pretty good. So there's still a couple of spots that I need to do, but the second coat hopefully should do the trick. Alright guys, so second coat put on. Just letting it dry right now, but it's looking pretty good. I think I just need 2 coats and that should do the trick. So I'm just gonna let it dry and then leave it overnight and everything, and then I'm gonna put everything back together. So probably in the next video I'll be reinstalling everything. I'm probably gonna look for a new reinforcement because the one that came on the car, as you can tell, I mean, I could grind it down and everything, but with all this, I don't know if it's worth saving. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that. And alright, so this is the spray paint I used. It's rust protective and everything, and it dries in 8 minutes. But I'm still gonna let it just dry overnight and everything. I don't want to risk, you know, nicking it up or anything. It's not like anybody's really gonna see, but it just makes me feel a little better that it's all black. And then I'm just gonna move on to looking into the quarters and everything, because I noticed that, you know, right here I might just have to order some new quarter panels, like the little like quick fix ones. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna keep on rolling with this thing. So hopefully you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.